My name's Nick Fiddlers. I'm the Assistant Superintendent here at Greenacres. So we're using the excavator for bunker work at the moment. We're rebuilding all our bunkers after the floods we had last year. And then when we've completed that work, we'll move on to some drainage, which we've had cut through in a lot of areas. We had a new irrigation install recently, so a lot of drainage works to do, so that'll be the main use of the excavator moving forward. The machine is perfect for us here at the golf club. Size-wise, fits in all the bunkers. Weight-wise, doesn't leave too much of an issue on turf surfaces when tracking across them. They're probably the biggest advantages of a machine this size. We've had the machine for a couple of months now and so far no issues. LiuGong reps have been really helpful. Pete's taken us through the machine, given us a solid go at it. We had it for a couple of weeks as a trial, and any questions we've had he's been happy to answer. So yeah, it's all good on that side of things.
My name's Peter Walker from PMG, Pacific Machinery Group in Laverton North. I am the Victorian Eastern Area Manager, and I am here to show off the LiuGong range to customers such as golf courses, tradies, civil, quarry, all that sort of thing. So that's my role. I like working with machinery and plants. So basically with LiuGong and Macintosh, great hand-in-hand partnership. So what I like about the 9027F is its simplicity. That's what it comes down to. It's a simple machine. It's a small machine, but still got some good grunt on it. So it's basically, it weighs 2.750 kgs, 2,750 kgs. We've got a Yanmar genuine diesel engine. It's a tier 4 engine. So it's EU stage 5. We've got a decibel reading of 93 decibels. So it's a very quiet engine. It's a 3-cylinder. We talked about that, Yanmar. We also have a hydraulic system that has an 86 litres per minute. So, and it runs a 48 litre tank. So your hydraulic tank can keep cool in this small machine. We have a 20 kN breakout force on the dig. We've got a quick hitch. This one's got an A2 quick hitch. We've got 1000 mil. We've got 300 mil dig bucket. We've got a factory dig bucket, and we've got a first service, 100-hour first service that we get the boys to come out, walk out of the machine, talk to the boys, and then they do their service. So it's a really good follow-up on this machine. So for me to sell this machine to this environment, a golf course, they needed a machine that was light to drive onto greens and drive around greens and get inside bunkers like this one. This is an old bunker that's been flood damage from the recent floods they've had. So they needed a small machine to get into this environment. With a quick hitch, it allowed them to do all sorts of work. So once they finish in this area with the mud bucket, the 1000mm mud bucket, they can start doing trenching work, drainage work, and all sorts of other shaping work. Why should our clients look at the LiuGong range? It comes down to the price and the quality of build, the affordability of me being out here with spare parts, attachments. This golf course wanted a quick hitch. They wanted varieties of buckets. So, and then the possibilities of having more attachments later on in the future. So with trenching, digging, 10 bunkers, repair, they've got all the whole basic range of attachments on this deal. Spare parts, easy to get to. Whether we fly in from Sydney, we've got them from Melbourne, easy to get to. Plus also 5-year, 5,000-hour warranty. That's a fantastic warranty. And again, I'm only a phone call away.